Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Xero for sales tax reporting in USA, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Xero for sales tax reporting in the USA, start by logging into your Xero account. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings tab located in the top right corner of the dashboard. In the Settings menu, find and click on Advanced Settings. Next, look for the tax option and select it. You will see a section for managing tax rates and settings. Click on Add a tax rate to create a new sales tax rate. Fill in the required fields, including the tax name, type, and rate percentage. Be sure to select the appropriate account for sales tax from the list provided. After entering the information, click Save to confirm your new tax rate. Now, navigate back to the Settings tab and select General Settings. Locate the country section and ensure the United States is listed. If not, click on Add Country and select the United States from the drop-down. After confirming the country, scroll to the Tax Settings portion. Here, you should see options for assigning default sales tax rates for your transactions. Select the relevant sales tax rate you established earlier for your transactions. Once configured, proceed to save the changes by clicking the Save button. Next, go to the dashboard and click on Business in the main navigation menu. From the drop-down, select Invoices to view your invoices. When creating a new invoice, ensure that your sales tax is correctly applied to all relevant line items. To verify that everything is set up correctly, generate a sample invoice. Check that the sales tax is accurately calculated and reflected. For reporting, navigate back to the dashboard and click on Reports. Under the Reports section, locate Tax and select Sales Tax Summary. Finally, familiarize yourself with the tax filing deadlines and requirements specific to your state. Make adjustments to your settings as necessary to ensure compliance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.